Okay, affiliate marketing. Now, I touched on this earlier. We're going to do a longer session just on affiliate marketing uh, this afternoon. But what at this point I just wanted to remind you of is that there is an almost infinite number of products and services that you can promote as an affiliate. Okay, there are lots and lots of different sites. Such as clickbank.com. Clickbank is a directory of digital products and services, a lot of ebooks and courses on there, and you can promote any of those products as an affiliate, and most of them pay 50%, 50% commission. So rather than creating your own course about anything, you can find someone else who's created a course on there and promote their product or service. Just drive traffic towards their website, and we'll teach you about that this afternoon. There is this website here, Affiliate Window, and they act as a kind of middleman for a lot of big brands. So if you look at some of the brands on here, you'll see they work as an affiliate broker for brands like Waitrose, for Red Letter Days. We go through here for the Post Office, for BT, for Marks and Spencers, for Aviva, for EE, for O2, for Currys PC World, for Travelodge, etc. So you can get an affiliate link for all of these companies and basically refer traffic to these websites and earn a commission for all of their products and services. So that's another great source. So there's literally thousands of products and services you can get an affiliate link for from Affiliate Window. Also, Amazon and eBay have both got an affiliate scheme as well. So that means that any product sold on Amazon or eBay, you can become an affiliate of, and you can earn money by referring people to those particular products. But the other thing I wanted to show you is if you're in any particular niche market, if you just go to Google, so let me just get a browser window open. Let's go to Google. Hopefully you can all see that on your screens. I think you can. Looks good over here. So say I was in, I know we've got quite a few property investors. I did a presentation for Simon Zucci on Saturday. I know a chunk of you from there. So if I did, say, property investment affiliate scheme, that's the phrase I want to search for. What that's going to show me is any websites that feature the words property investment and they feature the words affiliate scheme. So that's going to show me businesses that have got an affiliate scheme that has something to do with the property investment market. So if I look in here, I can see companies like this one. So this company called Aspen Wolf says they have a referral scheme. You can sign up for free and you can send them leads, inquiries, and they'll pay you for each one that you send to them. I've got another company here, lettingaproperty.com. They pay £100 a referral, so you can earn £100 per referral fee if you send someone to their website there. You've got Yopa that pays you £100 per referral as well. You've got a company here called propertymentor.co.uk. So tell you what they pay. Yeah, so they pay here. Let me just highlight that for you. £8 per lead. So just for someone filling out their name and email address, they give you £8 for everyone that is just a lead, just an inquiry. So you can see just by using a simple Google search and searching for the words affiliate scheme and then the niche that you're in, you can find lots and lots of businesses in that niche that have got some sort of affiliate scheme, and maybe sign up as a referral partner and promote their stuff too. Okay, there's some more affiliate network links here. Now, as I said earlier, we're going to give you a copy of these slides, so don't feel you've got to scribble all these URLs down. We are going to get that link out to you probably at the end of this lesson, and I'll put a link in the chat box for you so you can download the slides from this first session. And also, we'll put those up in the members area as well, so you will have all of these useful URLs. Don't panic, therefore you've got to write them all down. But these are just some more affiliate network sites, and Jay's going to go through a session on affiliate networking with you this afternoon. Now, just a couple more business models, then we're going to finish module 1, have a little break, and then we're going to come back with module 2, which is all about market research next. So other business models are resale rights. This is where you purchase a digital product with resale rights. And what that means is that you can sell copies of the product and you keep 100% of the money yourself. So basically you've licensed someone else's course or someone else's ebook or someone else's software product. To do that, you pay an upfront license fee. That's normally about 10 to 20 times the resale price of the product. So if it's, say, it's a $20 course or a $20 ebook, to purchase the resale rights might cost you, say, 10 times that will be $200. So you pay $200 to purchase a resale rights license, and then you can sell copies of that $20 product for $20, and you keep 100%. So every copy you sell, you make $20. So when you've sold 10, you've generated $200. You've now broken even. The 11th copy that you sell, you make $20. That's all yours to keep. So you're on 100% profit once you've recovered your costs. So the difference really between affiliate marketing and resale rights is affiliate marketing, there's no money down. For digital stuff, you often get 50% commission. For physical stuff, it's less. It's often 5, 10, 15% commission. But no upfront cost. For resale rights, there's a small upfront cost of a license fee, but once you've paid a license fee, you keep 100% of the sale proceeds. A few different levels of this. You've got resale rights, which gives you the rights just to sell copies of the product. Master resale rights gives you the rights not only to sell copies of the product, but also sell on the resale rights to someone else. And PLR stands for private label rights, and that gives you the rights to not only sell copies of the product and sell the resale rights to the product, but also you can rebrand the product, you can put your name as the author, and you can sell on master resale rights to other people as well. Another business model is selling leads. And right now, you just saw actually one of those websites we just looked at. Do you remember the, which one was it? Property Mentor, I think it was, that were paying £8 per lead. So there are businesses that pay a kind of rate per lead, per inquiry. And for many industries, that might be 5, 10, 20 pounds per lead. For some, it's more. If you're in life insurance, the market rate is about 75 pounds per lead for someone looking for life insurance. So this is another business model you can get into. You could create a web page, a landing page, as we call it, which seeks to capture inquiries, people looking for a particular product or service. And in this case, it's a double glazing one. So people fill out this form, and then you sell that lead to double glazing companies, and double glazing leads are worth between 10 and 20 pounds per lead. So for every person that fills out this form, even at 10 pounds a lead, sell it to 3 companies, you just made 30 quid for every person that fills out the form. So lead generation is another common business model, and actually I know a lot of you are in the property space, and obviously the big lead that you guys are all very interested in is those motivated sellers. So we've had a lot of students for Internet Business School that have made websites similar to this, saying things like, do you want to sell your house quickly? Fill out your details and we'll get you, a guaranteed cash offer within 48 hours, something like that. And they get a hot lead. They get someone who's looking to sell their house. Even if it's not for them, they don't want it, they just make them a silly offer. But if someone's interested in a, significantly discounted below market value property and says, okay, yeah, I'd like to do that deal, they've now got a deal they can package and sell to another property investor. And that deal is actually worth very often a couple of £1,000. It's quite common for a motivated seller BMV deal to change hands for a few £1,000s. Obviously it's only paid when the deal goes through, not just for exchanging the lead. But if a deal happens, a couple of £1,000s is quite common as a kind of finder's fee for those sort of deals. So that's another business model that you could get into as well.